baby, you know what time of year it is when it's time to review a summer edition Red Bull. Hello there, my above average followers, and welcome back to another Saturday energy drink review. And today we have something very exciting and very special. We have the 2021 Summer Edition Red Bull, and the flavor, if you do not already know what it is dragon fruit. And I am very excited today because we are actually getting on this energy drink review very early. I feel like we're always reviewing the summer edition when it's like already summer, but it is early April and we have already run into it. It was the last can in the cooler where I saw it at Walmart, and I have not had it yet. We're going to be tasting it today for you guys watching this video, and we're still going to take the time to go over what this drink is. Obviously, everybody knows Red Bull. We're going to go over how this drink feels. Chances are you probably already had a Red Bull, but the bulk of the video, and we're going to zip right to it, is the taste test of the Dragon Fruit 2021 Summer Edition Red Bull. And of course, really quick, if this is your first energy drink review on this channel, be sure to go down below and subscribe, guys. We are very close to the milestone of 1,000 subs, so be sure to help me with that above average journey. And of course, leave a like, leave a comment while you're down there. Let me know what you thought of the Summer Edition Dragon Fruit Red Bull. So, what the heck is the Summer Edition Red Bull? Well, of course, it is dragon fruit, and the Summer Edition Red Bull is the Red Bull they come out with, a special flavor. I believe it is limited edition. I don't know, because I think you can still get last year's Summer Edition, so they might just keep them out regularly. But basically, they come out with a flavor every year in time for summer, and is supposed to be the taste of the summer, or whatever you drink all summer, or whatever, or what have you. But basically, it's a regular Red Bull, 160 calories, 40 grams of carbs, 38 sugar, nothing too crazy there. And then, of course, the usual amount of caffeine, 114 milligrams of caffeine per the 12 fluid ounce can. I think I also saw the smaller cans. I think they're 8 ounce or like 10 point something ounces, whatever the small Red Bull can is, in the coolers. How does this drink feel? It feels like a regular Red Bull. You have the same amount of caffeine as every other regular 12 ounce can of Red Bull, so you're going to get the same amount of boost. Red Bull, not the most insane amount of energy from the drink, but not the least. It definitely gets the job done, and it tastes amazing. Red Bull is arguably one of the most popular drinks on the market. They sponsor gamers, they sponsor athletes, they sponsor extreme athletes, they sponsor everybody. It's popular, it tastes good, and it has a good amount of caffeine. Generic cup of coffee being about 100 milligrams, so this with 114. A comfortable ballpark to be in. It'll give you a boost, but not an insane boost. Of course, it varies depending on how sensitive you are to caffeine, but being somebody who drinks caffeine all the time, I love a Red Bull. It gives you a little bit of energy, enough to get going, and of course, again, they taste good. So that brings us to the most important part of the video. How does this Dragon Fruit Summer Edition Red Bull taste? We are going to crack it open. I have yet to taste this one, guys, and I'm very excited to do so. Dragon fruit, a very interesting flavor, a very good flavor if done right, and it's Red Bull, guys. There's no way they can screw this up. The smell test, it smells fruity. It smells so good. It smells like candy, guys. It smells wicked good. The first impression, phenomenal. Probably my favorite summer edition yet. I'll do my best to explain the flavor profile to you guys after I swig some more of this back. Oh my goodness. After further taste analysis, if you will, it's so good, guys. This is arguably one of my favorite Red Bulls yet. And it is so hard for me to explain what a dragon fruit tastes like because I haven't experienced the flavor too much, but it is fruity. But it's not super sweet necessarily. It feels sweet, but it is not overly sweet. Red Bull just blows my mind with how good their flavors are. You can't even tell it's a Red Bull. It just tastes amazing. It's juicy. Juicy is the best adjective I can use for this dragon fruit flavor. The best way I can describe the dragon fruit flavor profile is it kind of, when it hits your mouth, it feels a little bitter. But then once you have it in your mouth, you're like, it perfectly skates that line between not too sweet, but sweet at the same time. It is phenomenal. It is great. I could completely see drinking this the entire summer. It's concerning how good this drink tastes, guys. It really is. This may be one of the highest flavor ratings I'm going to have to do on our 1 to 10 scale. My personal, telling you what it tastes like, being somebody who hasn't had a lot of dragon fruit things, it almost has, a cucumber feeling in your mouth. Please don't take that take that for what it's worth. That's just the best way I can describe it. Like the feeling in your mouth into like a sweet, like fruit punch feeling sweetness. Again, it tastes like dragon fruit, but I'm not just going to be like, tastes like dragon fruit, figure it out. That's kind of the best way I can describe it. And I'm sure that's just what dragon fruit feels like. It's almost like a cucumber feeling with a fruit punch flavor. If you put those two together, that's what I imagine a dragon fruit kind of tastes like. Feel free to agree or disagree down in the comments, but take my word for it. This flavor is phenomenal. Arguably my favorite flavored Red Bull to date. And dude, the summer edition, I'll definitely be slamming this stuff back all summer. The flavor rating, I am going 10 out of 10. Again, this is more of a flavor scale than an overall energy drink scale because we already know how good Red Bull is. But the flavor, I am giving a 10 out of 10, 11 out of 10, if that suffices with you guys. It is literally so good. I could drink so many cans of this stuff, and that's not an insane like early proclamation, this being my first flavor. It is that good, guys, especially if you like fruitier drinks. You 100% will love this beverage. And I try not to overhype flavors when I think they are really good, but I honestly like this one. I don't even think it's overhyped. I think you guys will try it and like it just as much as I do. Of course, if you don't like Red Bull, you don't like dragon fruit, you are not going to agree with this review and you probably won't like the drink. But I still think it's worth giving a shot. This is, in my opinion, the best summer edition that has come out. And of course, 2020 wasn't the best year, so it's awesome to see such a good flavor coming out in 2021 for the summer. Again, guys, it's April, but these are already in stores, and I'm sure you will be seeing them more and more and more over the coming months. That's why I want to hurry up, review them, so you guys can know whether or not you should get out there and try it. 100% you should. I'm giving this flavor an 11 out of 10, 10 out of 10 on the more realistic scale. It's good, guys. It's great. Dragon Fruit 2021 Summer Edition Red Bull. Get it, try it, drink 100, buy 1,000, I don't know, whatever you want to do. But that wraps up this Red Bull energy drink review. Super fun one to do. I'm pumped I got to find one of my new favorite flavors of energy drink because it feels like a while since I've been raving about a flavor this badly. But that's all there is to it, guys. Again, be sure to go down below and subscribe, completely free. Drop a like while you are down there and leave a comment, guys. When you try this, let me know what you think of it and if you liked it as much as I did. If you did not, that's okay too. Always encouraging opposing beliefs down below in the comments. That's what they're there for. And of course, guys, stay happy, stay healthy, and stay tuned for the next video.